Welcome to On the Road Again with Davey. In today's video, I am going to cover the Rum Bay restaurant, which is at the Palm Island Resort. While at Palm Island Resort, I visited the Rum Bay restaurant, which is the only restaurant on the island. And I am going to provide you with video footage from my visit at the restaurant. In this video, you will see the surrounding area outside the Rum Bay restaurant. And once I am inside the restaurant, I will show you what to expect based off the area I was sitting in. Also, I will show you a video of the menu and some specials they had going on. We went on Father's Day and also made a trip back there on Wednesday, which I believe on Wednesday they do a 2-for-1 appetizer special with many of the appetizers they offer at the restaurant. That is what they had going on anyway on the Wednesday we went. Some of the food items we ordered and you will see in today's video include chicken pot stickers appetizer, Thai egg rolls appetizer, the lobster bisque soup, which was a tomato-based type soup, the Atlantic mahi handheld sandwich, also had the mahi tacos, sea scallops, the taste of Rum Bay, which is a mixture of ribs, wings, shrimp, potatoes, and veggies, and somebody else at my table ordered the fresh grouper. Everybody, I must say, really enjoyed their dinners at the restaurant, and based on it being on an island, I felt everything was also reasonably priced. I will also add we ordered pizza one day and ate it back at our rental house, and the pizza they offer is very good as well. And then finally, what you'll see at the end of the video is you can walk to the back side of the restaurant area where there's a dock, which is considered an area where you may see manatees and where some people have their boats docked. I will please also ask if you could please subscribe and like the channel On the Road Again with Davey. I would definitely appreciate it. And you can check out the previous videos I've already posted relating to the Palm Island Resort, Don Pedro Island. And there will also be more videos I will be posting in the near future. So please subscribe and like the channel so I can continue to provide future vacation content in the future to you. Now on to the video footage I shot when I was at the Rum Bay restaurant. Alright, on the Palm Island Resort, there is one restaurant on the island, and it's called the Rum Bay restaurant. And you have a little walkway that you walk up to it. On the bottom area, there's a gift shop called Coconuts, and on the top floor is the restaurant, which is called Rum Bay Restaurant. Right before you get there, you have a little gazebo area where you can hang out, and you have a little seating area here as well. And then there's another map that kind of portrays the Palm Island Resort and what's here. And here is the entrance to the Rum Bay restaurant.
Does anybody know what they want?
Yeah, lobster bisque under the Father's Day menu there.
It's on that little menu, Davey. It's right there.
The beef stack was 2 beef patties, big tomato onion. I know, yeah. Pork loin.
Oh, okay. Perfect. No problem.
All right. Thank you.
I'll take that out of your bag.
Fantastic. Thank you very much. Oh, fantastic. Thank you. All right.
At the Rum Bay restaurant and coconuts area, if you walk out to the back side of the area, there's going to be a bay, and sometimes at the bay you can see manatees there. There is a manatee area. I've yet to see one since I've been here, but you never know. All right, now we're at the end of the walking area here. And this is also an area for boaters and such. And a couple of them do have their boats parked here for the day. And looking around in this area, it is indeed the area where the manatees could be at. And you will see a sign that says "Caution, Manatee Area." Unfortunately, just walking around here, I don't see any of those amazing creatures anywhere in sight. I'm assuming, once again, I'm striking out on seeing any type of manatees. We have seen a lot of different other animals while we've been here on the island. Seen a huge sea turtle the first night we were here. We also seen a few smaller tortoises as well. Seen a lot of different geckos. And even my wife said she's seen an iguana. I didn't see it, but she said she did. And seen a lot of different exotic birds as well while we've been on the island. So a lot of cool things to see if you venture out. But it does look like I'm going to strike out on seeing a manatee, unless I possibly see one tomorrow on our last day at this island. All right.